Question 5. DS. There are 7 apples in a basket, and n of them are rotten. What is the value of n? Condition 1. The probability of choosing 2 rotten apples when 2 apples are picked from the basket is 1/7. Condition 2. N is less than 4. Solution. Now let us solve this DS question through the variable approach. Definition of probability. Probability is the chance that an event will happen and is given by the probability of E, where E is the desired event. Probability of E is equal to the number of times event E happens over the number of all possible events. Let's apply the 3 steps suggested previously. Follow the first step of the variable approach by modifying and rechecking the original condition and the question. We have to find the value of n if there are 7 apples and n of them are rotten. Follow the second and third steps. From the original condition, we have one variable, n. To match the number of variables with the number of equations, we need one equation. Since conditions 1 and 2 will provide one equation each, D would most likely be the answer. Recall 3 principles and choose D as the most likely answer. Let's take a look at each condition. Condition 1 tells us that the probability of choosing 2 rotten apples when picking up 2 of them is 1/7. Then, n choose 2 over 7 choose 2 is equal to n times n minus 1 over 2 factorial over 7 times 6 over 2 factorial, which is equal to 1/7, or n times n minus 1 over 7 times 6, which is equal to 1/7. So, we get n times n minus 1 is equal to 6. N squared minus n minus 6 equals 0. N minus 3 times n plus 2 equals 0. N equals 3 and negative 2. Since n is greater than 0, n equals 3. The value of n is unique, so the condition is sufficient by CMT2, which means that the number of answers must be 1. Condition 2 tells us that n is less than 4. N could equal 0, 1, 2, or 3. Then the value of n is not unique, and the condition is not sufficient by CMT2, which means that the number of answers must be 1. Condition 1 alone is sufficient. Thus, A is the correct answer. Answer: A.